Hey guys, Dennis here. So it's been about a year since I bought this little guy here. It's the Remington Shortcut Pro. And I remember telling you guys that I would only use this until the barbers open up and then I'd be going back. But with all the lockdowns that have been happening in the past year, you never know when the barbers open. And to tell you the truth, this will be the 5th time today I've been doing my own hair, and I think I'm doing a better job. I'm always satisfied when I'm done because I can keep trimming if I'm not happy and just keep doing it till it looks good. So I may never go back to the barber. So today I'm going to cut it and I'll show you guys again how I do it. So before I get started, guys, I thought I'd show you the guards that comes with the Shortcut Pro. There's 9 guards, but I never use any of these, and maybe I only go down to this one. There's a 15 millimeter here, 5/8 of an inch. There's a 12 millimeter, 1/2 inch, or a 9 millimeter, 3/8 of an inch. I might use this one too, but I usually start with this because it's the longest one. If you start too short, you can't put it back on. So I usually start with that, and then I'll do the sides with the middle one, and then I'll do it on the sides again with that one. Then I might go down one there. Sammy, look who came to take a look. You want to be done next? He's looking a little rough, guys, but actually my wife's been looking after him. He's got those knots on his fur here, but she's been looking after that. He's almost 17, so he's looking pretty good. So I don't think I'm going to cut his fur though today. So yeah, guys, just wanted to show you the guards. So now I'm going to start cutting it, and then you can see how I look at different stages. That's a 15 I'm using. It's easy doing the front like this. Then you gotta hold another mirror and do the back. But if you don't start too small of a guard, then you're not gonna do too much damage anyway. You can use a different guard later. So there's the evidence, guys. Cut a bunch of hair off. Now I'm going to taper the back and do a little trimming, and then I'll show you when it's all done. So I'm becoming a pro at this myself. My 5th time doing it. So I'm all done, guys. I think it looks pretty good. Like I said, it's my 5th time I've been cutting, and I'm getting pretty used to it. The back can be a little tricky, so you just make sure you're working with mirrors for that. And there's no reason why you can't do it yourself. If you need some help, get your wife or friend to cut the back or something. But I'm pretty used to it now, so yeah, like I said, I use those 3 guards. Sammy, you want me to do you next? Look, he's taking off. He's saying no way. So another successful haircut with this little guy. That Remington Shortcut Pro. Like I said, I don't know if I'll ever go back to the barbers again. I'm doing such a good job with this. And it's for short haircuts though. Like if you want long wavy hair, then this isn't the one for you. But for the guys that want short haircuts, this is really good. So I'll put a link below, guys, to the first video I did of cutting my hair last year. And I said, I don't know, maybe I'll go back once the barbers are open, but I'm doing such a good job, I think I'm going to keep cutting it. And I paid $92 with tax, and so now after 5 haircuts, it'd be $125 I would have spent. So this is a really good investment here. And I don't got to worry about making appointments or doing anything. So thanks for watching, and if you're new to the channel here, please subscribe. See you in the next one, guys.